Hello friends, welcome to my channel as Tech Mantra. So friends, today I am here to discuss with you a very important thing, that how can we create a free account on Microsoft Azure App Services. So Microsoft Azure is providing us the facility to create a Azure App Services free account for learning purpose. So if we want to create an account on Microsoft Azure App Services to get how the Azure App Services work, how can we create our Azure App Services, and how can we deploy our Azure App Services, and many other functionalities. So for learning this, we can use this free account. So for creating the free account, we need to follow some steps. So I have given you some steps that how can we create that account. So first of all, we have the URL. So first we need to type this URL on the browser, and after that we will see that this home page will open for Azure portal. And here you can see that there are two buttons. First is try Azure for free, and second one is pay as you go. If we are as a company and we want to create an account for our company or for professional purpose, so in that case we can use pay as you go. Otherwise, if we want to use for learning purpose, then we can click here try Azure for free, and when we click on this button, then a new page will open. As you can see that on this page it is asking us to enter our email ID. After entering the email ID, it will validate that email ID. And if we are not having an email ID, then it is also providing us the facility to create our new account. So if we want to create our new account, so we can create our new account. Otherwise, we can enter our email ID for using that account. After entering that email ID, it is also asking us to provide that email for verifying that email ID. On that email, it will send a verification code, and we have to enter here that code for verification of the email ID, that the email whatever we are using, that is validated by the Microsoft. So here we will receive an email from the Microsoft team with that code, and after that we will enter that code here, and then it will validate that email ID. And after validating that email ID, a new page will open here. Here we need to create our profile, and you can see here that this is the profile page, and in this page we need to select the country or region. We need to enter first name, middle name, last name, email ID, address, etc. So for creating profile, we need to enter these values, and you can see here that it is also asking to enter the mobile number. After entering that mobile number, we have to click here text me or call me. If we click on text me, then it will send an SMS to our mobile number, and if we click on call me, then it will call us the verification code. And after getting the verification code by SMS or by call, we need to enter that code in this text box, and after that we will click on that verify code button. After validating the email, it will ask some other information and city like address line 1, address line 2, address line 3, city, etc. And after validating email and entering the details, we need to click on save, and then next and last page will populate it like this. Here it will ask us to enter that credit card or debit card details. However, it will not charge any amount, but it will save the details for future. In case if we require some paid services, then we can use the same details for the billing purposes. So here we need to enter whatever the cardholder name is, what is the card number, what are the expiry dates, date, month and year, CVV number and everything. After entering all the details, it will again validate our card number. It will again validate the debit card or credit card, and whatever the mobile number is linked with this card, it will again send a code. And after validating that code, then our registration process will be completed. And after that, we will see that after it will be redirected to the home page of Azure App Services. So we need to enter all the details, we need to validate our email ID, we need to validate our mobile number, we need to validate our credit card, debit card details, our details, and after validating everything, our account will be created here on Microsoft Azure App Services for learning purpose. So now you can see that the home page is open, and now all the services which we can use here are available. So now we can see that these are multiple services we can use for our learning purposes. So friends, if you like my video, then please like this session and subscribe this session. And in my next video, I will explain you some services and some services functionalities. So thank you for watching the session, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.